What is going on, guys? GregglesTV. I have 4 different cases for the Galaxy Note 9 from VRS. And VRS actually changed things up a bit, and it's one of the only case manufacturers, at least that I've reviewed, that have actually, at least I feel like, has actually some new designs, and they're actually very nice. They add some cool things, like, for instance, this case is the, I always forget these crazy names, Single Fit label case, and it's got this cool little red accent design down here, and it looks nice. It makes it look more premium. And for this case, you can see it's kind of a bendy case, and it's got that ribbed design, not ribbed, but I guess ribbed, yeah. That sounds gross. Anyways, it's a super premium looking case because of that red accent, at least the way I feel. It makes it look cool. And you can see it gives okay protection on the back. I definitely wouldn't use this case if you're a big dropper. And I mean, like, if you drop your phone a lot, I'd be a little bit worried about it, be concerned. The raised bezels at the top are a little bit, but again, if you drop it face down, I feel like you're gonna break it. And then the back, it's glass. I'd be a little bit concerned. All these cases, I've tested all of them, obviously. Getting the S Pen is perfectly easy to get out, so I'm not gonna take them out of every single one because there's so many cases. It is easy to get out though. All the ports at the bottom, easy to access. Overall, feels okay in your hand in terms of, like, is it gonna slip or not? Kind of give it middle of the road, 6 out of 10, I guess. You know, I feel like it might slip a little bit, but design-wise, I think it's really nice. It's a nice looking case, all black, dope. Next up, Crystal Bumper cases, and these have they're really basically clear cases, except for at the bottom they've got this little design. This is blue, and I guess that's like a brownish kind of chrome, but they're the same exact cases, so I'll just put the blue one since I have the blue phone. And keep it in your hand. It feels pretty good. It doesn't feel like I'm gonna drop it. It's got some good grip on it. The blue is a nice touch to match the clear backing on the back of the blue phone. Pretty good protection for the camera, a little bit more than the last case that we saw. The ports all wide open at the bottom, and at the top, I feel like, again, I feel like it's gonna be slightly better for drops than the other case we were just looking at, but overall, I'd still be a little bit concerned about dropping this. Not so much on the back, but maybe on the front, just because the bezels they're not awful, but they're not like amazingly protective either. But it feels good in your hand. Design, it's okay in terms of like what I rock it. I probably wouldn't, to be honest with you, but I like how this part matches. So if you have the different colors of the Note 9s, you'll be able to match it up and still get the clear backing to see the beauty of the device. Next up is the Crystal Fit. This goes kind of the same way with the black one, the first one we just looked at, except this one is see-through. So it's somewhat see-through because it kind of has those ribs in there to kind of make it a little bit hard to completely see, especially like it's a little bit hard to see Samsung in there. But you get that nice red accent. Again, makes it look premium. I think it's a good design choice. The cutouts at the bottom, fairly good. I'm just looking, it looks really close to the speaker, but it's actually pretty good. Again, not a mega protective case. It's gonna be very similar to that black case in the beginning. You're gonna get okay protection on the back for the camera. And then overall, feels good in your hand. Doesn't feel like it's gonna slip. Again, see-through case, rib design, middle of the road protection. If you're not gonna drop your phone a lot, great for scratches, but otherwise, I'd be wary if you drop your phone a lot or if you're concerned about dropping your phone. And the last one is the Crystal Chrome case. Now, all these cases are less than about 15 bucks. So if you're looking for an inexpensive case, look this way. This one, again, adds that little accent design. Not red this time, but it's got like a little silver mirrory kind of look. Very, very premium, very, very nice. This is also supposed to be anti-yellowing. A lot of clear cases will turn yellow. They'll oxidize after a certain amount of time. This is supposed to not have that. A little bit of fingerprint magnet on the back there, but again, looks super premium for a see-through case. And then it's just in your hand, it feels pretty good. Slightly a little bit slipperier than these cases, these clear cases, but overall, still fairly good in your hand. None of these cases add a lot of bulk. I would give them slightly thicker feeling than, you know, a really, really slim case. Good protection on the back. The protection on the back for the camera, not so much. And then on the top and bottom bumpers in the front, it's okay. Just overall, again, all these cases, I think they actually look like the accent designs make it look premium and cool. But as for like, you know, big time protection, I'd be a little concerned. As for scratches, I think you're completely fine. So if you like semi-slim cases with semi-good protection, I would definitely look this way. They're not VRS. I've used these cases in the past, not these specific redesigned cases, but I've used VRS cases in the past and have had great luck with them. So check them out. I'll link them down below. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below. And then my favorite case out of the bunch, I might go with this one just because it kind of looks modern and cool because of this little silver outlining on there. So thanks for watching. See you down the road. Peace.